The Tesla Cybertruck seemed to be a game changer when Elon Musk initially introduced it. But now, after going through a lot of delays, the Tesla Beast has been modified to a stronger and smarter form. Auto enthusiasts couldn't keep calm when Elon announced that the Tesla Cybertruck will feature a heat pump. Experts think this new modification will be a game changer for Tesla. Want to know why? Stay tuned till the very end. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post fresh content about trends in technology. That being said, let's begin. This EV monster makes us all entirely reconsider our preconceived notions about electric cars as the inferior, perilous relatives of trucks with gasoline and diesel engines. Pre-orders for this groundbreaking engineering project have surpassed all predictions. The Cybertruck will start being produced in 2023 after being first displayed in 2019. With a maximum payload of 3,500 pounds and a towing capability of 14,000 pounds, this electric vehicle actually outperforms the Ford F-150 in both categories. It comes out of nowhere to get head-to-head with this dependable old-timer, even if this is obviously nothing compared to the Ford F-350's powerful 32,000-pound towing capability. Even if the failed ball-to-the-window test made headlines around the world, and Elon Musk muttered that there was a need for improvement, the exoskeleton and armor glass are designed to keep you safe from the approaching zombie apocalypse. Amazing, no? On stage, they swung a sledgehammer at it literally, yet there was no damage to be seen. Even though it should have been the first thing you noticed when you saw it, the design's very form is novel and groundbreaking. While many other automakers choose more traditional conservative designs, Tesla just declares, "To hell with it, we're going back to the drawing board," shattering the conventional wisdom about what a truck should look like. The Cybertruck has 6 passenger seats and a large 17-inch touchscreen with a unique brand new interface. You can store your cyberbike and all the beer you'll need for your day out in the 100 cubic feet of roomy storage in addition to your cyberbike. Furthermore, there are rumors that Elon Musk is mulling changes to the storage area, such as adding a folding back glass. Tesla is a business focused on innovation, so don't expect them to rest in their laurels just yet. According to Musk's tweet, the Cybertruck will also benefit from a heat pump. The heat pump in the Model Y is thought to be 300% more efficient than the resistive heating system, and it'll extend the range of the Cybertruck in cold weather. The heat pump system of the Tesla Model Y is one of the company's most cutting-edge creations. It turns out that the Tesla Model Y's heat pump system offers 12 distinct heating settings. The heat pump system may draw heat from the battery system and the engine of the car in addition to the surrounding air. Range decrease is an annoying reality that all electric car users must learn to live with during their first winter. Although the Model 3 standard range plus its 250-mile range sounds fantastic, that distance is under ideal circumstances. If you drive your EV on a chilly winter day, you won't cover the entire 250 miles. One of the main causes of range loss in the winter is heating the cabin for passenger comfort. Similar to an electric space heater, the majority of EVs still employ a resistive heating element. The issue is that this heating system requires a lot of electricity, and each electron that is taken out of the battery pack to heat the cabin is an electron that's not being utilized to move the car ahead. Even while winter range loss is actually pretty simple to manage, with a little forethought, it still reduces the capabilities of electric vehicles, and most EV owners would want to avoid or lessen the issue if at all possible. According to AAA research, certain EV drivers might experience a range reduction of up to 40% due to the warmth of the cabin and the lithium-ion batteries' decreased performance in cold weather. Fortunately, heat pumps are a technology that is more effective than these conventional electric resistance heaters. Our current heating and cooling methods are ineffective. It's awful for the environment and harmful to us. For instance, residential heating and cooling systems annually emit 441 million metric tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, using roughly 6% of the power generated in the United States. Most of that energy is, however, being wasted since many people aren't comfortable in their houses. So there must be a change. Elon Musk stated that the acceleration of renewable energy was absolutely crucial when he founded the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla. He supported the notion by inventing a brand new concept in sustainable transportation, an automobile that wasn't only good for the environment but also offered the finest possible user experience, a real boost in quality of life. It was an idea that altered everything and revolutionized the US car industry. Currently, technology has the potential to revolutionize HVAC in the US. Although it has an inconspicuous name, you'll hear a lot more about the heat pump in the upcoming years. And there's a solid reason for it. Heat pumps are the HVAC innovation that's poised to revolutionize everything. While there are many various types of central heating systems available, both modern and old, they all function by creating heat via the use of fuel. A completely different and far more intelligent approach to heating and cooling your house is with a heat pump. Contrary to its name, heat pumps don't produce heat in the same way as a conventional central heating system. Heat pumps, on the other hand, operate by moving heat energy. You're right if you believe that procedure sounds familiar. A similar method is employed by air conditioners. And here's the genius part. Heat pumps are made to work in both ways and throughout the year. They will move heat from the outside of your home to the inside during the winter, and they will do the opposite during the summer by transferring heat from the inside to the outside. This implies that your heating and cooling systems may both be entirely replaced with a heat pump system. Additionally, it'll dry out and cleanse your air. It's a 3-in-1 system that can often take the place of your central air conditioner, heater, and dehumidifier. And it can complete all of those tasks while using less energy overall. Heat pumps are 3 times more efficient at utilizing energy than standard HVAC systems because both of these transportation methods use a lot less energy than trying to create heat from the start. Also, bear in mind that electricity, which is a completely pollution-free energy source, is used to power heat pumps. That's going to be significant as the world switches to more efficient methods of producing power. Heat pumps are the technology of the future as the globe changes. The moment is now more than ever to make the change. Heat pumps are such an obvious winner in the HVAC industry that they have already taken over as the norm in several nations, including Japan, Sweden, and New Zealand. Purchases are rising globally, with over 40% of new single-family home heat pump sales occurring in the US alone. The future appears promising. Despite this, there's still a long way to go. According to studies, heat pumps could meet 90% of the world's heating and cooling demands. If they were deployed everywhere, they would be useful. Currently, heat pumps only serve approximately 5% of the world's climate control needs. Furthermore, the earlier we install heat pumps, the faster we can reduce carbon emissions because heat pumps use clean energy and are up to 3 times more energy efficient than conventional HVAC. Although switching to heat pump technology won't cure all of the world's problems, it'll undoubtedly increase your comfort. This is a significant step in changing our culture and society and creating a sustainable future for everybody. Due to Tesla's extensive range and robust supercharging network, the ineffective heating system was probably given less attention. After all, the winter reduction is less significant when a car has a range of at least 250 miles. And yet, the Cybertruck will undoubtedly benefit from this new technology. The heat pump Cybertruck will be very effective because of its bigger size and attitude. A Tesla Cybertruck requires extra assistance to guarantee it gets the greatest potential range in all circumstances, including cold weather, even if its range is close. A heat pump has the ability to prevent 7 to 30% of a Tesla's range from being lost during cold weather driving, which is a far larger amount of miles than you'd see with a lesser range vehicle. With this technology, a 250-mile Model 3 Standard Range Plus might gain up to 20 miles depending on the circumstances. We still don't know if heat pumps will spread to the remaining Tesla vehicles. The heat pump of Tesla appears to be designed and fitted for the area below the hoods of Model Ys, so it may not be a simple plug-and-play solution, despite the fact that the business typically rolls out modifications to all cars as soon as they begin production. In any case, heat pumps are a good addition to electric vehicles that already have them and would be helpful on all of Tesla's vehicles. And that's it for the day, guys. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for such interesting topics. And we'll catch you in the next one.